are going to make a very popular and most loved mushroom recipe in a very simple and easy way. It is the Matar mushroom. So let's start. Heat oil. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Now add half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste. We are going to saute our ginger and garlic till the rawness goes off completely. Ginger and garlic is sauteed nicely. Now add 1 cup of onion paste. We are going to saute our onions till the excess moisture evaporates. Onions are done. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree. We are going to cook our tomatoes till the excess moisture dries off completely and oil starts to separate. Tomatoes are done and the oil has started to release. Now we are going to add our dry spices, and in our dry spices we are going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric. We are going to roast our spices till they turn aromatic. Now add 1 cup of boiled peas. Mix it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. Add salt to taste. Mix well and let it cook. Add half kg of button mushrooms which are cut in halves. Mix it and we are going to cook our mushrooms on medium to low flame without adding any water, as mushroom itself releases a lot of moisture. We are going to cook our mushrooms till they are soft. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half cup of water, adjusting the consistency we need in our gravy. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Our mushrooms are almost done. Now we are going to add handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our Matar mushroom is ready. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.